Occasionally, you need to fire a client. Firstly, you need to blacklist them. So that means just quietly in your software, you mark them down as somebody you're not going back to. Now, the reasons could be something like they're hyper fastidious. They might follow you around to every room, criticizing how you're doing your job, nitpicking on tiny details to an unreasonable point. Or it could be there's just a disagreement about the job. When they see the quote and the end result, they imagine something really different. Or maybe it's for some people, they're just nasty people, maybe insulting you or being racist. So it's when they want to rebook, that's when you actually get to fire them. You need to tell them that you're not going back. So you might say something like, well, the service that we offer doesn't meet the expectations that you have, so we're not willing to come back. So being polite, but clear. For us in my business, I think it's around about 1 client in every 1,000 that we need to fire. When you do, it actually feels good. It reminds you that you're in charge of the business. You choose where to go and who to work for. So firing a client can actually be a good thing for your business.